Any action that improves your mental, emotional, or physical health can be considered self care. What if all it took to improve each day was 5 minutes? A hug in a book has been created to provide you with many self care ideas and engaging activities that make self care easy and simple. It's split into three chapters: mind, body, and soul. This book will teach and guide us through many different self care practices and activities. Self care can be very subjective and personal, and therefore it can look different for everyone. No one knows us better than ourselves, so only we can truly explore what brings us joy and what improves our well being. Filled with 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes self care routines tailored to your needs, it is a book full of self kindness, tips, quotes, reminders, and routines for happier days. Explore the book. Explore self care.